So this is the peg post. We take the notch out for it to slide on the back side of the stringer, and this side will go hard against the wall. Slide it down, and then we mark the underside of the stringer. So once we've cut the peg off, we put the post back in, plumb it up, and then we just check that there is a stud behind there to fix off to.
So it puts the fixing in 75mm in behind where the handrail will be, so you don't see that fixing. So talking components, your handrail and string capping will turn up with the fillet inside. So when you open the packaging, your fillet is already fitted. There, so we'll take that out and we'll cut that up between balances later. Okay, so we put the string capping on the angle, on the nosings, and then scribe it to each post. So a string cap is cut. Simply cut your handrail, exact same measurement. When you're doing a half post against the wall, just make sure the post is plumb and the wall is plumb, because the handrail might be longer than your string cap.